Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to start paying with just your iPhone everywhere? Setting up Apple Pay from scratch takes about 2 minutes, and here's exactly how to do it step by step. First, make sure you're signed in into your Apple ID. Go to your settings and check your name is showing at the top. Now, open the wallet app on your home screen. Then tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Then tap debit or credit card and then tap continue. Now, either hold your physical card in front of your camera and it will scan the card number automatically, or tap enter card details manually and type your card number, expiry date, and the CVV from. After entering the details, tap next. Your bank will then need to verify the card. They'll either send a code to your phone or email or ask you to call them. Choose the verification method that works for you and complete it. Once verified, your card will show as active in the wallet, and you can now start using the Apple Pay immediately anywhere that accepts contactless payment. So all you gotta do is open wallet, tap on the plus button, scan or enter your card details, verify with your bank. Apple Pay is set up and ready to go. Subscribe for more Apple Pay guides.